Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to take lesson unit 20 entitled Music Makers. We have two classes for today. First of all, reading the text and comprehending it. And lesson 2, we have to focus on word and sentence builder, speaking and workbook exercises. The competencies of these lessons are: the first one, we are going to learn new vocabulary related to musical instruments. Then we are going to read and comprehend the text about musical instruments too. The third competency is forming adjectives from nouns plus suffixes. The fourth one is the use of linking words such as both and, neither nor, either or, not only but also. And the last one is improving your speaking skills by conducting a dialogue. Let's take things step by step. Activity 1. You'll open your books on page 72 and 73. There is given a table with instruments, but be careful. To learn them by heart and to be easier for you, you have to divide them in 5 categories: wind instruments like trumpet, percussion instruments, drums, string instruments, guitar, keyboard, piano, and electronic synthesizer. You have to complete this table in your book and then learn by heart. Let's go on. Activity 2. This is the photo of your book, page 72. There are some photos and there's a text divided into 4 paragraphs. You have to read it carefully, underline any new words and find them in your dictionary to translate in your Albanian language. But be careful. You have to look at the photos and the reading text and answer the question: what is unusual about the instruments? And it's amazing to find the answer, but after reading the text, you'll come to the conclusion that it's amazing, but they all are made from common objects recycled as musical instruments. So, read and find it out. Then you have to comprehend the text. Go to exercise 5, page 73. Read the text again and choose the correct answer. Be careful. You have to refer to the text to support your answer. Underline the sentence in the text to support the alternative is correct. Let's go on. Now let's come to lesson 2, page 73. We'll go on with exercise 6 and 7, which are the same. Exercise 8 and 9, they are the same too. And exercise 10. But what will you do? Let's take the things. Activity 3, word builder. In the word builder, we are going to form adjectives from noun plus a suffix. For example, music is a noun plus la, the suffix, and we form musical. This is the adjective. There is a table with 7 words there. You have to complete it with the words in red from the reading text. Learn them and make up sentences. Then you'll go to exercise 8. That's an adjective quiz. To do it correctly, you can go to the word bank, page 110, and form adjectives from exercise 7. Then you have to make sentences, like in the example. Student A is saying the word electricity. This is a noun. Student B is forming the adjective electric, and then can make up a sentence: I would like to play the electric guitar. So you will continue with all the words given in this exercise. Do it as a written classwork. Go on. Activity 4, Sentence Builder. There is another table here. We are going to learn the uses of the linking words. The first one is both and. Let's have a closer look. I'm giving 2 sentences. They are musical, they are useful. Both sentences are in affirmative form and positive meaning. We can rewrite these 2 sentences in one sentence using the above linking word. They are both musical and useful. So both and are using for positive meaning. Another linking word is neither nor. For example, it isn't cool. It isn't interesting. The both sentences are in negative meaning. We can rewrite it. It is neither cool nor interesting. In this case, it shows negative meaning, but be careful. Neither nor needs the verb in affirmative form. Not only but also is another pair of linking word. We can use it in this case. It is educational. It is fun. They are both affirmative. We can say it is not only educational but also fun. So it has a positive meaning, and if you compare with the first example, they are the same. And the last one is either or. You can compare it with neither nor, but be careful. They can play traditional music, or they can play modern music. The 2 simple sentences shows options. In this case, we can rewrite these sentences in one sentence like the model. They can play either traditional or modern music. So, in this case, we are focusing on options. If I am clear for you enough, you are going to practice the linking words. There is exercise 9, page 73. Use these structures that we have just learned and rewrite the sentences in one sentence. Do it as a written classwork too. Let's go on. The last activity is speaking. There's exercise 10, page 73. There are given 5 questions there. In these questions, you are going to make up a dialogue and finding out how musical is your best friend. Do it as a written classwork too. And at last, after finishing reading, analyzing the text, doing the classwork, you are going to do the homework. As the homework, as usual, you will do all the exercises of Unit 20, Music Makers, at your workbooks. But don't forget, send them to Google Classroom to evaluate. Thank you for your attention. Have a good job and see you next time. Bye.